Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install fonts on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. At first, just go ahead and open your search bar. And here, just type settings. Then just open up settings. From settings, on the left hand menu, just go to personalization. From here, just scroll down. You'll see fonts. Just click on this. After that, either you can download fonts from your Google or you can get it from the Microsoft Store. Just click on Get More Fonts in the Microsoft Store. And here you'll find a lot of paid ones. But on the internet, there are a lot of free ones as well. But in Microsoft Store, there's a limited number of free ones. So just go ahead and install the one you want. For example, I would love to get this Vertana Pro one. So I'm just going to click on this. Click on Get. Then just wait. It will download and install the fonts in your Windows 11 system for you. Just give it some time. Now if I just open it, as you can see, Vertana Pro is right here. And basically that is how to install fonts on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.